Hello, welcome to the Ingredient Channel. In this week's episode, we're making red bean flaky pastry, which is red bean subing in Chinese. Subing is a traditional Chinese pastry. It has layers of crispy and flaky skins with either sweet or savory fillings. The cooking methodology is frequently applied in the making of festival treats, including mooncakes. I tried several times to translate the name and was still not quite satisfied at the end. Nonetheless, I landed with flaky pastry due to the similar cooking ideas of incorporating thin layers of fat between the layers of dough. If you have a better ideas of the translation, please share in the comments. For the fillings, we're using the red bean paste. Please check out my homemade recipe in the link above. Without further ado, let's get started. All-purpose flour, oil, and sugar mixed with water. Add to the mixture. And we're gonna make the dough. Use your hand to knead for about 3 minutes to make the dough smooth. Next, we're gonna make the oil flour mixture. So use cake flour in this time and add oil, mix it well, and then use your hand to knead it into another dough. This mixture is the secret sauce of the flaky and crispy skin of the pastry. So put both doughs aside, set aside for about 1 hour. And then we're gonna spray a thin layer of flour. Keep kneading the dough. And then we're gonna separate into 12 equal sized portions. And we're going to do the same thing for the oil and flour mixture. And then we're going to roll the dough into thin wraps so that we can wrap the oil and flour mixture inside. Seal it. One mistake that I made is I didn't cover the dough constantly. So what happened is at the end, my dough is becoming very dry and hard to seal. So try not to make the same mistake as I did. Cover it constantly. And then we're gonna roll it into an oval shape, long oval shape. Or someone call it a cow tongue shape, because I guess it looks like cow's tongue. And then roll it. We're gonna make 2 turns only for this one. It's enough because the oil and flour mixture will add that crispy, flaky texture to it anyways. So 2 turns is all you need. Roll it and put it aside. Okay, and then we're gonna cover it. That is set for about 20 minutes. Meanwhile, we're gonna take out the red bean paste we already made in the other episode and roll it into 12 balls and take out one of the small doughs. Seal it from both sides so that we can seal the oil and flour mixture inside. It's very hard for me to seal it because it's dried. Once again, I made a mistake. Luckily, it didn't really impact how it looks or taste for that matter. But it's very hard to make, so don't make the same mistake as I did again. Roll it. And now this is kind of like the skin. We're gonna wrap it and seal it. Wrap the red bean paste inside and seal it. Once it's done, we're gonna roll it slightly one more time to just make the shape. And then we're gonna add a little bit egg yolk for color and sesame seed, black or white, whatever you like, or whatever you have. For me, I only have white sesame seed, so I use white. And they are ready to put into the oven. Bake 5 minutes at 375 Fahrenheit and then drop to 325 Fahrenheit. Bake for 15 more minutes. They are ready. It is so delicious. Promise you. Crispy outside, flaky skin with a very, very sweet, tasty red bean paste inside, which melts in every single bite. Enjoy. It's so good to have you again. Feel free to check out the other videos in my channel. Subscribe, support. Thank you so much.